Hi everyone, welcome to Geeta's classes. Now we are going to see how we can solve the linear system of equations. Let us consider the system of equations a11 x plus a12 y plus a13 z is equal to b1 and a21 x plus a22 y plus a23 z is equal to b2 and a31x plus a32y plus a33z is equal to b3. Let this be the system of equations. Now we can represent this equation as, this can be extended for any number of variables. We are seeing for three variables x, y, z, three unknowns x, y, z. Okay. So it can be expressed in the form of a matrix as Ax is equal to B, where the matrix A is A11, A12, A13 and A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is the coefficients of x, y, z in all the equations. And B is right hand side constants B1, B2, B3. And x is equal to x, y, z. Okay. So if you write this matrix A into x, this is 3 by 3 matrix and this is 3 by 1 matrix. So if you multiply 3 by 3 and 3 by 1 matrix, you will get 3 by 1. So this is 3 by 1 B. Okay. So Ax is equal to B. It can be written in the form of Ax is equal to B. This is linear system of equations. Okay. Now we have one Cauchy's theorem, that is the system of equations is consistent. What do you mean by consistent? There is a solution for this system of equations. Okay. So it's consistent if and only if the coefficient matrix A and the augmented matrix A comma B are of the same rank. Otherwise the system is inconsistent. The theorem says that they are consistent if and only if rho of A is equal to rho of A comma B. What do you mean by augmented matrix A comma B? We write this matrix A, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. And the last row, if you write B1, B2, B3, the matrix B, this is nothing but A comma B. It is called the augmented matrix. The constants are there, no? You write the coefficients of x, y, z in the form of A and the constants right hand side matrix B, no, that you write it in the last column. Okay, that will give you the augmented matrix A comma B. Okay, so if row of A and row of A comma B, that is rank of A and rank of A comma B are equal, then only it is consistent. Okay, and we have different conditions. I'll tell you that. Now we have procedure to test the consistency. To test the consistency, you have to remember these things. Okay, you have to by heart these things. Now, find the rank of matrix A and rank of matrix A comma B. What is A comma B? Augmented matrix. That is, you write the column matrix B as a last column of A, you will get rank A comma B. Find the both rank of both A and A comma B. In the same matrix itself you can find out. You can first write row A comma B and you can reduce it to echelon form. Then find the non-zero rows. From the non-zero rows you can find both rank of A and rank of A comma B. When we do the problem you will understand that clearly. Now we have conditions after finding. First thing is find the rank of A and rank of A comma B. Right? Now if rank of A not equal to rank of A comma B, rank of A not equal to rank of A comma B, then the system is, the equations are inconsistent. That means there is no solution. Inconsistent means there is no solution at all. Okay, no solution for the given system of equation. This is the first point. Now, if row of A is equal to row of A comma B, that means they are consistent. The solution is there. But depending on another condition, that is if it is equal to n, that is n means the number of unknowns. Number of unknowns or number of variables to be found. Okay, number of unknowns. Then the system is consistent. The equations are consistent. And there is unique solution. There is unique solution. There is only one solution exists for that. Okay, there is unique solution. And third one, if row of A is equal to row of A comma B, but sometimes it will be strictly less than n. If it is equal to n, unique solution. Then if it is less than n, then again if they are equal, we know that it is consistent, right? So the equations are consistent and there are infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. So these three you have to remember. Okay, I'll tell you again. I'll summarize this. You have to find out first the augmented matrix row of A comma. First you write augmented matrix A comma B. Okay, how will you write this? Write the matrix A and write the B matrix as the last column. You will get the augmented matrix B, right? Now find row of A comma B and row of A, and by reducing this matrix you will get both. Rank of A comma B and rank of A you can find out. If rank of A comma B is equal to rank of A, then they are consistent. The given system is, there are two conditions. The given system of equations system may be consistent or inconsistent, right? When will you say that it is consistent? If row of A comma B is equal to row of A, then it is consistent. Okay, in this we have two conditions. Equal to n means unique solution. Unique solution means only one set of solution you have, and strictly less than n, infinite number of solutions. Remember this. Suppose if they are not equal, row of A comma B not equal to row of A, that is rank of A comma B not equal to rank of A, then inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? No solution. No solution exists for the given system of equations. Okay. So here these things you have to remember. There are only two possibilities, maybe equal or not equal. Not equal means simple, no solution at all, inconsistent. Equal to means there are two conditions. It may be equal to the number of unknowns, then it is unique solution. Less than n means infinite number of solutions. Okay. So before attending tomorrow's live class, you please go through this. Thank you for listening. Thank you.